It makes no sense for me to pay $65 for shipping for FedEx Express and it takes almost 3 months for me to get my package. I appreciate the sample though. I'm like a grandma. I don't really like stuff tied up on me and in my rump. Like, I need to be comfortable. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. I hope you guys enjoyed bringing in 2021. Hopefully y'all brought it in safely. So I'm starting off the new year with some new inventory, a new collection. It's finally here. The last time y'all saw me, actually, I did hint around about me coming out with a new collection. It was supposed to be here last month, but y'all, I caught hell with this vendor. I'ma just leave it at that because I don't want this video to be too long, but they was BSing me about this damn package. But somebody asked me, what are the pros and cons of owning a business? And one con that I definitely can speak on is having to depend on your vendor. I like to be in full control of what it is that I do, especially when it comes to my business. And the fact that I have to depend on a vendor that is hella miles away from me, it is definitely frustrating. Things go wrong, shipping gets delayed, and you got to put your trust into these people. And sometimes they're trustworthy, sometimes they're not. Let's go ahead and open this package. Let's get straight to it, all right? Hold on, let me show y'all how big this box is. Shouts out to my sister because she had to help me bring this package to my apartment. I live on the top floor and this was heavy. The new collection is onesies. This first collection is the Zodiac Onesies, and I'm gonna see how this goes, and if it sells really well, then I'm gonna come out with the designer inspired onesies that match with my bonnets. I think that would be so dope. Anyways, let's go ahead and open this package. Oh wow, okay. I was a little thrown off. I was thrown off because of this particular onesie. They gave me a free sample. And this looks like a Christmas onesie. Well, too bad I can't wear this, huh? Christmas done passed because I was supposed to get this in December. But, I mean, I can still wear it. But this is my sample. So with this vendor, they do give you a free sample every time you order from them. They did tell me that. I just wasn't aware of what the sample would have been. And then this is in a medium. So this is the onesie. Okay, it's a long onesie and it's long sleeve. It's cute. Oh my goodness, y'all, it got the butt flap. Now on to the rest of the onesies. Okay, so wait a minute. They gave me 2 samples. Here's another free sample. This is in an extra large. I'm probably gonna give this away. I'm gonna do a giveaway actually. I'm almost at 9K, so I might can give this away when I reach 9,000 subscribers. I got a lot of hair products I'm gonna give away when I reach 9,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for subscribing to me too, because I've been gone for a month and my subscriber count has been moving up rapidly too. This is the Libra Onesie. It looks like it's a full body onesie. Is that how you say it? It's like long sleeve and long pants like the one I just showed y'all. I hate that I opened that because that would have been a good giveaway to give both of those onesies away. And it also comes with the face mask, y'all. Oh, this is gonna be so cute to give away. Can y'all see this, or is my ring light too bright? There we go. See, it comes with the face mask. Moving on to the rest of my onesies. So this is pretty much what the package looks like. As you guys can see, I have a lot. What zodiac is this? This is Virgo. So this is the Virgo onesie. And I have sizes small, medium, large, and 2XL, I think. Yeah, those are the only sizes that this vendor has. I tried to get extra small, but they didn't have it. I gotta figure out how I'm gonna store these. I'm probably gonna have to get one of those, what is it called? I'm gonna actually insert a picture of what I'm talking about. I'm gonna have to buy one of those and probably like put it in here, because nothing else can go in my bedroom. I'm already sharing it with my business. So I'm probably gonna put it somewhere in this living room of mine, and that's how I'm gonna store these onesies. Okay. What sign was that? Libra. Okay, that was Libra. This is Libra too. Yeah, all of these are Libra. And then these are Capricorn. And then we got Sagittarius, my sign. They're blue too. I was kind of hoping that Sagittarius would have been red. Red is my favorite color, by the way. We got, I think this is Aries. So this is how the Aries ones look. Cancer. There's a lot of blue onesies. The Libra, Cancer, Sagittarius, and Capricorn is all blue. And I think we got another one that's blue too. What is this? Pisces. I see the damn fish. So this is the Pisces one. And we got Leo. Leo is cute. I like this color, and it has the crown and the lion. Oh, okay, Leo. Yeah, y'all onesie real cute. This is cute. And then they got the stars. Okay. Who is this? Taurus. Taurus is a cute color. I like this color. This is the Taurus one. It's like a green, pink, and blue. Ooh, I love these colors. This is Gemini. These colors are so freaking cute. Those are cute, okay? All right, got two more left. So who we missing? Who is this? Aquarius. This is the Aquarius one. The camera is actually making this look darker than what it is, but it's kind of like a pastel blue and purple color. It's really cute. This is the Aquarius one. And last but not least, Scorpio. Oh, dear God in heaven, this sign. It got the scorpion right here, okay? And it's red. It's cute. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all how these onesies look. I'm gonna open up mine. This is how the onesies look. They are long sleeve, but they are shorts at the bottom. This is really cute. And now I'm going to try this on so y'all can see how it looks on, okay? All right, y'all, so I am back with the onesie on. Hopefully you guys can see the whole onesie. Yeah, y'all can. So this is how it looks on. Isn't it cute? So obviously I'm wearing the Sagittarius one. So this is how the Sagittarius one looks. Really, really cute, long sleeve, shorts. I'm wearing a size small. I am 5'2". The last time I got on the scale, I was like 153, 154. I'm probably more than that. Who knows? Because I've been eating my ass off lately and I need to be eating healthy. Yeah, so that kind of gives you guys a little idea of how the small fits. But it's cute. I love it. The quality is really good. I love the fact that it's not see-through. It's not thin material at all, and it does have stretch to it, and I feel like they're true to size. And you know, I'm like a grandma. I don't really like stuff tied up on me and in my rump. Like, I need to be comfortable, okay? So I'm definitely here for the stretch. And this is how the back looks. It doesn't have a butt flap. No, sorry if y'all like the butt flap onesies, but these ones don't come with a butt flap. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, y'all. These will be available on my site very soon. I don't have a launch date right now because I have to test these out a little bit more. Also going to test them out with the washing machine and the drying machine, see how they do in that too. I don't just put stuff on my site, I test them out. So we're going to do all that. All right, So when y'all see them on my site, y'all know it's a go. But so far, I like them. I think they're so cute. They're comfortable. They also have the 3 buttons right here. I didn't say that, but yeah, it has 3 buttons right here. And this is pretty much how the neck looks. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so y'all can get notified when I post a video. Thank you guys so much for all the support that y'all showed me last year. Thank you guys for watching. See y'all in the next video. Bye.